finally show you the places that we've been to and the people that we've met along the way.
Ayun, marami kami gustong ikwento. Pero kulang ata ito.
Kulang talaga i-squeeze sa isang vlog, but we've tried to do it for you guys.
Kulang ang 1 week dito sa Crete.
2 weeks would be the best, and even a month would be a good time to explore this island.
Kasi hindi lang hiking, swimming, marami ka pang pwedeng gawin dito sa Crete.
Yung food experiences was one of the best for us.
Saka yung mga tao na kilala natin.
Definitely. So, let's show you kung ano yung mga pinuntahan naming lugar.
Oh, isa-isahin natin mga best places dito sa Crete.
Everyday kami nagka-travel sa iba-ibang dagat.
Dagat at mga lugar na madadaanan natin ay tinitigilan talaga natin.
Ang ganda naman ng daan dito, hindi mahirap mag-travel.
Malinis at safe.
Smooth driving every time.
At dito tayo magsisimula sa may beach na ito.
And this is called
Elafonisi Beach.
Elafonisi Beach. Napakagandang area. Pristine talaga ang tubig.
Para ka lang nasa swimming pool.
Totoo yun. At some seasons would be having some pink beach.
Yes, pink sand.
Oo nga
Pero
pala,
hindi
pink
natin
sand.
nakita to, no?
Oh, not this time of the year, but naku, sobrang enjoy kami dito.
At ang ganda-ganda talaga. Para kang nasa paraiso.
Paraiso talaga.
Wow. At wala nga lang mga tindahan dito.
Kaya may dala na kaming baon dito.
Para kay Muning.
Para kay Muning, ayan oh, tuwang-tuwa siya.
Ang dami mga furry friends.
Sila June nag-start na mag-explore habang ako yung nagsiset up na aming beach mat.
Wow, ang ganda ng sand, no? Talagang pink siya eh.
Talagang pinupuntahan ito ng maraming tao, kaya you have to be early in this place.
Yan, voted to best beach dito sa Crete.
June was able to find this through Google Earth.
Yan, mga Google Maps, makikita niyo yung mga best places to visit.
Voted nga talaga. Tinan mo naman, napakaganda kasi.
Tingin ko may mas maganda pa kaya dito.
Meron pa.
What's next?
This is a 45-minute hike just to reach this beach.
Yan, nagjo-join yung river tsaka sa beach.
Napakagandang area at we've come prepared again. Nagbaon na kami ng sandwiches namin at the same time manok at kanin.
Oh, wala kasing tindahan doon, kaya make sure handa tayo. Let's go!
Let's go. This was an hour drive away kung saan kami nakatira.
Layo din, no?
Pero ayos lang. Maaga naman tayo nag-set up.
Pero at least na-enjoy natin ang mga scenery makikita dito.
Free pala yung parking at mapakaaga na dumating dito.
At handa ka na bang bumaba?
Yun na nga lang. Napakatarik din ng pababa dito. Pero maganda naman ang lugar na makita natin.
Talagang nakakamanga. Ang ganda talaga sobra.
Ako na pala ang in charge sa paghawak ng mga baon namin.
Oo, kasi si Ethan nalagyan ng sand.
We had to make sure na may pagkain talaga kaming makakain sa baba.
Tumalapit na tayo.
Yes, at stop kami ng stop dito para kumuha ng litrato.
Yan, wow. Ganda.
Nagtataka nga kami at nag-iisa yung bato dito.
At buti nakakuha na tayo ng pwesto sa ilalim ng puno.
Unang-una ba naman tayo at napansin natin may mga hikers na bumababa dito sa gorge para mag-swimming kinalaunan.
Ang ganda talaga, no? Sana mabalikan natin.
Sana nga. But good thing we were able to capture yung mga videos para mas-save natin as our memories.
Yan, panoorin muna natin itong drone shot ni Miguel.
Every day is a new adventure at this one is a very interesting place
Let's go down south ng Crete.
where you'll see the catacombs next to the beach.
This is Matala Beach.
Free yung entrance dito at we've arrived nearly to sunset in here at mahangin ng kaunti.
At maganda yung dagat. Sarap lumangoy.
Si Ethan hindi nagpapalagpas yan. Ay talagang lalangoyan yan.
Ayan. Rain or shine or cold or hot, lalangoy at lalangoy talaga yan.
Totoo. At tingnan nyo naman, Instagrammable ang area na ito.
Ayan, palipad si Miguel ng drone at makikita natin sa taas. Ibang-iba talaga ang view.
As I said, this one, you can hike
Swim.
at explore.
Next to that beach, may town din.
Yes, at you can spend the day in here if you wish to.
Ang ganda, no? Very isolated siya.
Marami rin yung restaurants pala dito sa area na ito.
At after that, pumunta naman tayo ng Palasarna Beach.
Palasarna Beach is so memorable to me. I've never seen a pink sand before.
Ang ganda talaga dito, no? Buti, tumuloy pa rin tayo.
Talaga, last minute ito. We've decided, sabi namin, out of the blue, let's go and explore this area. The unplanned moments are truly the most memorable.
This is last trip natin dito sa Crete.
Walang kaplano-plano. We just decided to go on the road and went here. We've made the right decision to visit this island.
Tama ka, Sheila. This is one of the best places we visit dito sa Europe.
So yun, it's our first time to explore in Greece and we've made the right decision.
Hindi lang first to, tingin ko marami pa. More to come.
More to come, definitely. At we have to look back in these vlogs in the future and see how memorable it has been for us.
Also, sana nakatulong to sa mga tao nanonood na mag-visit din sa Crete.
Yung mga nagpaplano mag-explore sa Europe, maybe this one could be your island of destination.
Very quiet, very clean,
At the same time, the people are so nice.
and the food delicious.
So, thank you guys for watching our vlogs in Crete.
Crete, Hania, Greece.
All the best to you guys and have a good weekend ahead.
Thank you for watching.